Hey Gemini, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome as well. Real quick, I am doing a giveaway. I have 2 bracelets that I am putting up. 2 mala bracelets, black obsidian, turquoise howlite, and zebra jasper stone. And this one was not claimed. This was the last giveaway. The person has not emailed me. So this is moonstone, black obsidian, it's howlite turquoise, and then you've got the one jasper stone right in the middle. So if you would like to be entered to enter one of these bracelets or both, please be subscribed, hit the like button, and comment hashtag Mala in the comments. That will let me know that you are interested in being put into a drawing to win one or both of those mala bracelets. Keep in mind, energies can be reversed, so you'll need to place parties where it fits to the situation. Only you will know. Just going to do a general reading to see what's going on. So we got some kind of proposal going on here. What messages do we have? Wow. Wedding, proposal. Now, we're all on different timelines, so further in the reading, I can try and find out some different timelines on when this might be happening. Wow, congratulations to anybody who is getting proposed to. What else do we have for Gemini, please? Anything else? Whoa, way too many. Somebody needs to talk, though. There's a lot of cards that flew out here. Dang, Gemini. All right. Good grief. Let's try this again. Do we have any other messages here for Gemini, please? New love. So some of you are dealing with a new love that is going to eventually end up into a proposal of marriage. Okay. So some of you are just now getting into a new relationship, and some of you have yet to be into a new relationship for this possible proposal and getting married. I'm not getting anything negative yet. I did get a little spill of possibly somebody who is currently engaged. There might be a new love coming in for one of the parties. I only feel that just a little. So that might be one person, if at all. Okay, what other messages do we have for Gemini, please? Oops. Honeymoon. Look, you can't make that up. Honeymoon phase. Attending someone's wedding. Yeah, like I was saying, this is a new relationship. Or a relationship that's coming up. Love spell. You've been bewitched. I want to say with this card, somebody was manifesting this, right? Somebody was manifesting that you know, they wanted somebody to come in. They wanted their love, true love to come in. So this is a manifestation that's coming through or has just come through for some of you. This was for manifesting. Wow, okay. All right, so tell us more for Gemini. Who's, let's, tell us about this new love for Gemini. Tell us, whoa. All right, I'm going to take the two that flipped over. Okay, so we've got the King of Cups in reverse, and we've got the Two of Wands. So the King of Cups in reverse, they're not good with showing emotions, right? It's like they don't know how to be emotional in a relationship. So with the Two of Wands, it's like making a decision towards having this new love. So take it as it resonates. It's you, Gemini, or the person you're dealing with. So Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Tell us more. Four of Swords, Ten of Wands. Okay. So this person you're dealing with, they've been in a healing phase right now, right? It's like they were heavily burdened, and I want to clarify what they were heavily burdened from. So this is probably why they seem a little emotionally shut off or emotionally awkward, maybe a little emotionally awkward. What is the tell us, what was the burdens for this person and the healing? Why healing? Two of Cups, another. Like another relationship. What is this Two of Cups? Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Tell me more. It's like dealt with somebody who, I guess, wasn't willing to, you know, be accountable for their actions. And then we've got the Five of Pentacles. So they were left. So this person was dealing with somebody, and there's no, other than the Two of Cups, the relationship, the past relationship this person had, there's nothing else with cups. It's just pentacles. You know, there is not a lot of emotion. Yeah, so they ended up walking away, or this person walked away from them in a previous relationship. And so somebody was not held accountable for how they were in this relationship. So it might even be this person that's coming towards you. So this might be a person that jumps from relationship to relationship without learning what they needed to learn from their previous relationship and why it didn't work. So yeah, what is this? So how does this person feel about Gemini? Eight of Cups. Abandoned from you? So Gemini, was this you and this is like a reunion? So the new love can be new, but it can be, you know, like a renewal of it as well. Karma. So this is Judgment, Scorpio energy. Eight of Cups is Scorpio energy. You might have some Scorpio in your chart. Doesn't have to be. So they feel that by you emotionally shutting yourself off from them, so it's like you walked away. This might have been a proposal. No, this is just a love that you had walked away from emotionally, right? So it was like, you know, you had to make a final decision, probably because this person is not, you know, they're not emotional with you, and it's something that they needed to learn. Yeah, because they feel emotionally abandoned from you. And it was like, you know, a lesson that this person needed to learn. But they're coming back still emotionally shut off. So what is this person gonna, tell me, oh Lord, this full moon energy. Tell me about the Two of Wands. Ooh, Ten of Swords. It's like what are they trying to do? Make a decision if they can re-spark this connection with you. You know, it's like, or is it dead? Right? 10 swords is, you know, there's no more room for any more swords. So it's like this person's trying to decide, you know, am I able to come back? Is this over? Because how they felt about you was the fact that you abandoned them, right? Made a decision, like a final. So it's like they're trying to figure out, is this a final decision? So what is the, how does Gemini feel about this person? How's Gemini feeling? Seven of Cups and Six of Swords. Yeah. So it's like this person's too confusing to you because they're not showing you emotion, right? They're not emotionally opening up to you. And so that's why you transitioned on. You know, you're like, I need something that's less confusing, and I need to move on to something that I know how somebody feels about me. Oh boy. And here I thought somebody was going to get proposed to. It was going to be a wedding. It's going to be beautiful. But see, now with the love spell, it makes sense. Somebody's trying to manifest to come back in. But they don't know if they can. All right. So is this King of Cups? Are they going to work? Are they going to change? What's going on? Ten of Pentacles. King of Swords. Devil. I want to clarify the shadow side, which is the devil, but it looks to me that this person wants to come in and talk to you and tell you that they've grown, okay? They want to be truthful about the fact that they view you as their 10 of Pentacles, right? You're like the solid person in their life. But my question is, do they want to talk about the fact that they've worked on their shadow side, or do they still have to work on their shadow side, right? Because they want to come in truthful and they want to, you know, they want everything. They want the long-term stability, right? It's, you know, setting future goals, right? Maybe this person didn't do that with you before. What is the shadow side here? Tell us more. What is this? What was... What's the shadow side? The Tower on the side. Real quick, so we've got Capricorn energy, more Scorpio. And this is Aries, Scorpio. There's a lot of Scorpio in here. You and your person probably both have Scorpio in your chart. So so with the Tower on the side, it's okay, so maybe this person did get an actual reality check because things in their life were falling apart when you walked away, when you emotionally and physically walked away and said, that's it, you know? But see, that's kind of like, that's the law of attraction. That's kind of what happens, right? If you get fed up and you walk away, that's usually when it's a wake-up call for the other person. The question is this person... Oh... What is the outcome going to be for Gemini and your person? The Sun. Okay, that's... All right, that's positive. So this person's probably really been working on themselves. Leo energy. You know, and the Sun is a truth as well. Page of Pentacles, okay. Okay, so this is like two people actually making a solid beginning, right? Really, truly coming in, starting off new and improved. This is me. I have worked on myself. You know, you're the person that I want to be with. So I do feel this is positive. I do feel this is headed in the positive direction. So sometimes that's what it takes. It takes somebody to say, look, I'm not putting up with this. You need to open up. You need to work on what your devil is, you know? And the devil can be anything. So it's not like, you know, a devil can, you know, be simply the fact that this person doesn't know how to deal with their emotions, right? Not everybody does. I've been through that before. Right on the bottom of the deck, we've got the Four of Wands. So that is a happy reunion. Two people coming together, having a happy home, right? Celebrating, getting married. This is it. Honeymoon. The Wheel of the Year. This is the Wheel of the Fortune, but in this deck, it's called the Wheel of the Year. 2024 is going to be the year. 8 of Wands. Yeah. Fast action and communication. Right on the bottom of that, the Lovers. So this is a lover's connection. And you, take it as it resonates, you had to walk away to get this person to end their old ways of not being emotional and to learn to deal with their emotions. Yeah. Wow. You can see that. So yeah, this is a divinely guided connection. And you had to do what you had to do in order to get this person to wake up, in order to be able to come together in a lover's union. So basically you had to make a choice, because the Lovers is a choice. You had to make a choice to walk away from this and emotionally abandon yourself and say, okay, quits, I'm done, for this person to realize, oh no, Gemini was they're my person. You know, and that's you, Gemini. The Lovers, that's your card. Wow. I got chills. So yeah, this is going to be your year. And you could have been in separation for a year as well, is what I'm hearing. And it took a year for this person to wake up and realize what this connection was. Right? The Tower on the side. You know, you walking away gave this person a reality check. And it made him think, oh my God, this could be final if I don't work on myself. Because the Tower in reverse can be, you know, a done deal, right? So you make judgment. You're like, no, I'm not putting up with this. I'm walking away. And it made this person realize, oh, okay. Yeah, because you see, this guy he's got his hands on his head right here. He's like, ah, shit. I am feeling this. I am feeling this separation. I don't want this. And if I don't correct it, this could actually be over. You know, it's not yet because it's on the side. But it could be, just like the Wheel of the Year can turn a whole new cycle. It could turn a whole new cycle for you, having a new cycle with somebody else, or it could legitimately be this person ending a cycle to start a new cycle over, coming in, you know, showing how they actually feel. You know, the Page of Pentacles, actually doing this and not talking about it. Coming in to offer something, you know, a gift. You know, this can be the ring. Along with, you know, showing you their heart. Wow, okay. Little different. Let's get a time check on this. What's the time check for all this, Spirit? Give us some time checks for this, for the collective. When's all this taking place? Whoops. In December. So this could be this coming December. Right? The Wheel of the Year. Right? Like I said, this could be your year. It's going to take a year for some of you. But this will be the year that this happens. Okay. Any other time checks for people? Ugh. Well, some of you, it's quite frankly, it's up to you. The choice is up to you. And that means some of you might actually need to walk away from this person. Some of you already have taken the action to walk away and shake their person up. Some of you, it's up to you if you're actually going to make that choice to do that. Or it could be simply you are, done, and then that's why the Tower's on the side. The decision's up to you. Do we have any other time checks, or is that it? In March, springtime. So some of you, this already has been just about a year. And so this coming March is going to be important for some of you. Some of you might actually have been seeing 4-leaf clovers. Could have been seeing 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Any other time checks, or is that it? Oh, some of you don't wait around. So don't wait on, okay, so for the folks who this is the timeline, this is a beginning stage for you where you're about to walk away from somebody. Spirit saying, don't wait around while this person's going through what they need to go through to learn to open up to you and be truthful to you about it and come forward and let you know, hey, you are my 10 of Pentacles. I do want to marry you. I want you to be my happily ever after. Don't wait on this person because, people have free will. It doesn't mean that they're actually going to take the steps to heal. Interesting. Let's see if we can get some details on the parties here for you. Give us some details, Spirit, for the parties in this situation. Give us some details, please. That's too many. Man, these cards are giving me a fit. Full moon magic. Yeah, that's when, so some of you, this full moon that we're in now, or could be any full moon, but I'm kind of getting this full moon, or like I said, past full moons, is when somebody was manifesting. They've been doing the manifesting for this. Somebody you could be dealing with a Taurus. Or there's Taurus in somebody's chart. Okay, somebody is aggressive. Not in a bad way, but somebody needs to be more aggressive is what I'm hearing. Cat, somebody could own a cat, or it could be, use your intuition on who this person is. Mountains, somebody likes to go to the mountains, somebody lives near the mountains, somebody goes to the mountains a lot of trees. Yeah, see, in March, I see whoever in March, see all the trees. Yeah. Capricorn. Somebody could have Capricorn in their chart. Oh, you know what? I think the Taurus is also confirming the March, springtime. they don't want to give me any details really on specifically this person, any real details. You know, because I've got hair color, you know, tattoos, earrings, gold digger. Somebody likes to make money. Oh yeah, the Ten of Pentacles. Somebody likes to make money. Jail time. This is taking a weird turn. Oh, okay, never mind. I'm sorry. Yeah, somebody felt like they were in jail when you walked away. So all they did was focus on making money, right? And that's a Taurus. Tauruses are hard workers. So yeah, that's how I'm taking that. They don't want to give any real details on this. Like, I can't get like personal details. Spirit says it's none of your business. Okay, we'll leave it at that. All right, I hope this was helpful to somebody. Congrats, you know. Takes strength to walk away to make somebody realize what they've lost. So congrats to you. I hope that they come back and everything works out well. You know, much love and light. I will talk to you soon.